What's up everyone, Max Tech Toy Box here doing an unboxing and sort of initial impressions of the Kospet Prime. So this is one of the Android 7.1 smartwatches that have gained traction in other parts of the world. Doing some research a couple of months ago, the Kospet Optimus did pop up on my radar, but it was a chance that I didn't want to take. This one came up, it's just recently released, and I decided, you know what the heck, I got it at GearBest, I think for like $159. The prices are going to gradually increase as I guess demand increases for whatever reason. So I got it on GearBest, like I said, for like $159. Let's go over some of the specs really quickly. So this is, like I said, the Kospet Prime. Comes with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of memory, 1.6 IPS 400 by 400 pixel display, 1260 milliamp hour battery, the largest battery that is available in any smartwatch, period. You're talking about an Android Wear smartwatch, or like I said, this is a Wear or a Android 7.1 smartwatch. Largest battery out there. Has a front-facing camera right here, 2 megapixel, and it also has a side-facing camera here, 8 megapixel. Front-facing camera, so that means yes, you actually can receive and make duo calls, Google Duo calls. Since this runs Android 7.1, you can run full-fledged Android apps on here. From what I understand, we're looking through the forums and different, doing some research from different sort of unboxing videos on these watches in general. Some apps don't work as fluently, so we will see. I will put a number of different apps through their paces. If you guys have any particular apps that you want to know if they will work with this, leave the questions and comments below, and my full review is coming. Okay, let's see if there's anything else that I missed. This does have, it's a ceramic front facing, and this looks really nice. I mean, it looks and feels very premium. Okay, also this is a 4G LTE watch, so yes, that means that you can actually put a SIM card in here. You can make and receive phone calls. You can have this set up so that it can just receive notifications through your cell phone as the main sort of, and this just be your notification center, but you can put a SIM card in here so you can just have this as your main driver, which is crazy. So yeah, what else am I missing? Ceramic front, 24 millimeter watch band. So I'm a fairly big guy. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna say right now, it looks really good on my wrist. It reminds me a lot of the Garmin watch series. Yeah, man, that looks nice. Yeah, that's sleazy. Yeah, so like I said, this is Max Tech Toy Box. First impressions, I will say I'm fairly impressed with this. You guys saw everything that came in the box. Let's go ahead and look at the charging dock. So proprietary charging dock, however, it does use USB, micro USB. So you sort of pop this on the side and then plug it in. So any questions, comments, concerns you guys have, please leave them in the video down below in the comment section. Anything you guys have, let me know. I'm going to put this watch through its paces and let you know how I feel about it. As you guys know, I mainly like to use these smartwatches for activity trackers, notification centers to respond to text messages, sleep tracking, and I feel like with this large battery, I should be able to get a decent amount of usage out of it. So this is Max Tech Toy Box signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, let me know what you guys want to see in the review. See you guys later.